Gathered here 5 more next level knives. Let's see what I got this time. We'll start with something very interesting. This right here, mica tagged BSE Wallcliff. Is that what it pronounced like? And this is double signature series. So let's open it up. This thing is pretty awesome. You know, when I was buying it, ordering it, I thought it'd be a lot bigger. But yeah, this is just, as you can see, a belt clip. I would assume you'd put it behind your belt, whatever. There's clips, you can put it anywhere, on any kind of like backpack, whatever. So super tight clips over here, but what's so cool about that, you could pull it out and look at that tiny little knife right here. So imagine that's gonna be on your belt. Look at that, little handles, little knives, both of them serrated. This is number 30. That's a cool number. And this is 02-2022 M390. Look how tiny it is. Like 2 little fingers here and here. This is quite fun. You see that? And there's a signature. That is fun. That's a pretty thick blade too. Anyways, we're gonna put it away. Pretty easy to put it away. This is $780. Okay, another Microtech knife. This is the Feather Signature Series. This one sell out so fast as soon as they come out. Look how cool it is. So this is a fixed blade. There's a nice clip. Goes onto your belt and locks into it. And I guess the easiest way to open it is like that. And I guess you can hold it this way. Pretty comfortable. I like it. I have big hands. There you go. Or you can hold it this way. Doesn't matter. Serial number 198 02-2022. So that's pretty fun. There's a whole bunch of stuff on it. But as you can see, it's the same design like those double ones, miniature one. Just a little different. I really like that a lot. Very interesting. Another Microtech, this is Trudon Orange. Okay, let's see what the orange one look like. I never hold one before in orange. Wow, that's a flex. That's kind of nice to go camping. If you drop it in the grass, you will easily find it. So that's why. This is the serial number. Oh wow, almost 10,000 of them. 01-2022. So last collectible. Ooh, I like that. So this is serrated and regular like blade. So that way, if you like serrated, you can use this end. If you like the regular blade, you can use this end. This is cool. I kind of want one day to have serrated on this side and on this side as well. I had seen the serration on this side and on that side. I kind of want to see what it looks like on both sides. I've seen them before. I want to see it in real life. But yeah, that's a fun reflecting orange Trudon Microtech. Very cool. Next, something very nice and custom. Very hard to find. L. Voorhis. This thing is so comfortable. Check this out. That's a big thick knife. There's a logo on it right here. These knives are very collectible. Look at that handle. That's so beautiful. And I love the flippers with that little notch right there. And whenever you close it with the flipper, you see it will stop it. So nice. And we have right here another Rita knife, T3000 carbon fiber. Okay, I think I had this one for a while. Finally make a video of it. Oh wow. Oh no way, this is the same one as I just showed you, but kind of collaboration with the Rita. And you see there's a logo right here, but this one is a mini with the carbon fiber. That's nice. It's almost like a 3-finger for me, whereas the balance is. Oh yeah, well balanced. Even though the handle is shorty, it's still balanced where I would hold it. You see? This is a fun little knife, that's for sure. Love that logo. So yeah, what did it say on it? M290. And again, this is a frame lock. Wow, this one almost even better. Rita Knives is very good. So anyways, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. Honestly, I absolutely love all of them in today's video.